Miami condo owners, this video is for you. Now, the county has rolled out a program to help you pay for the large special assessments that are coming and or that you've already received due to your building's lack of maintenance and the new laws coming in place in 2027 due to Surfside collapse. So this is going to be super helpful for you. So please pay attention. This might be the make or break for you being able to retire in your current home or having to move. So this could be very important. So this is the website right here, which I'm going to link down below. But if you just type in Miami-Dade Condo Special Assessment, this page right here will pop up. And it's the Condominium Special Assessment Program. This Condo Special Assessment Program is designed to provide funding assistance to help condominium owners in Miami-Dade County pay for special assessment requirements that arise from rehabilitation and repairs due to applicable building integrity recertification requirements. So under the eligibility and requirements tab, qualifying owners making less than 140% of the AMI can get up to $50,000 in assistance to pay for these assessments. Individuals earning less than $95,620, couples making less than $109,000, and three-person households earning less than $122,920, and households of four making less than $136,500 may be eligible. Surtax funds will be in the form of a loan, and the annual household median income may not exceed the maximum limit of 140%, as indicated in the Miami-Dade County income limit chart. All right. So let's dive into this income chart right here. It's going to basically summarize what was just said right here. All right. So for this chart, we got the family size on the left, and then we have a 30% income, a 50%, and 80%, the median, 120%, and 140%. So it sounds like you can still apply, even if you make 100, 120, or 140 of the AMI. If you're up in the 140s, 120s, you're probably less likely to get the $50,000 help than these people that are down here on the income level. It said you can exceed 140. So anything above if you make more than this, you're not going to qualify. Median income is 74,700. Okay, interesting. So this chart's super helpful. Go and find your income that was on your taxes and compare it with this. If you're on this chart at all, based on your family size, whatever, you can qualify to get this $50,000 in help. It doesn't mean you're going to get approved or accepted. It means you can and you have the opportunity to qualify. Right here it says loan terms will be structured to mitigate the financial burden on families while recognizing the need to ensure compliance with the surtax program. The homeowner must reside in the unit and it must be their primary residence and homestead. Investment owners are not eligible for program assistance. The program will provide loans up to $50,000 with a repayment term of 40 years. The monthly payment will be $50 for low-income families with the remaining balance due at maturity date. So for $50 a month, you can get this $50,000 loan to help pay for the assessments that your building is required. That's a pretty good deal. That's a low monthly payment. You can obviously, I'm assuming that you can pay it off in earlier than that too, if you so choose, but $50 a month, that's super low. The monthly payment for moderate income families will be calculated at 0% interest rate for 40 years. 0% interest on this loan, that's amazing. Any cash assets exceeding $50,000 must be used for down payment of up to 10% of the loan amount. Okay, so you'd have to put, like, if you get a $50,000 loan, you'd have to put $5,000 down. If the owner sells the property, cash out refinances, or ceases to use the home as primary residence, the balance of the loan becomes due and payable. Okay, so if you sell it or cash out or rent it out, you got to pay the full balance of that loan. Upon the death of the owner shall become due and payable in full unless ownership of the property passes to the heirs of the owner and those heirs meet the following criteria. Live in the property, earn no more than the maximum percentage AMI funding activity at the time of transfer, execute appropriate documents as required by Miami-Dade County. All right, that's super interesting. So you get one-time assessment per unit owner. The funds will be payable to the condo association directly, which makes sense. So that doesn't come in your bank account. So that eliminates like fraudulent stuff right there. The condominium budget and condo questionnaire will be required and reviewed. Mortgage payments and HOA maintenance fees must be current. A description of the work to be done or scope of the work will be required to determine the loan assistance, and semi-annual reports from the condo association will be required. Great. So that's kind of the terms of them helping out. In summary, basically, if you're under that AMI, which is the chart above, click this chart right here. If you're in there, you could qualify. You can get up to $50,000 with a repayment term of 40 years. $50 a month for low-income families, 0% interest rate. Amazing. This is actually super helpful. This program's great. Now, what are you going to need to apply? You have to complete this application right here. You're going to complete this application. It looks like some basic information. You have employment, household income. So it's like your typical HOA application, honestly. Nothing too crazy. And so here's the required documentation for applying. All this good stuff right here. And if you want to view this in Spanish, here it is. But like I said, I'm going to link this website down below in this video. It's going to be super helpful. If you have any questions or concerns, all right, I actually did want to touch on something. Complete the condominium special assessment application and return it by mail or in person. You cannot email this application. As unfortunate as it is, you're going to have to go mail it or go in person. Here is the information on where to deliver it to. If you have questions, you can call Sean Tops at this phone number right here. Otherwise, you can deliver the applications to this person right here. Here's another phone number and an email address. Contact us button. So all of the information you need is literally right here on this page. Some people are going to be able to take advantage of this just from watching this video. And I'm excited to help you. Any questions, comments, concerns, please reach out to me. But what a program. I hope this video was helpful. Leave questions in the comments so I can get them answered. This is an awesome program. Take advantage of it, please. Thanks, guys.